Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shahzad Tech. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Do Not Disturb mode not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. Here are some things you can try to fix Do Not Disturb mode not working on your iPhone. So first method is check if do not disturb is turned on. You can do this by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen and tapping to the do not disturb icon. So firstly you can scroll down and you can see tapping on focus mode. The icon should be filled in if do not disturb is turned on. So tap on it and now you can see turn it on, turn it off and fix your problem. If the solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is make sure that do not disturb is turned schedule off. So if do not disturb is scheduled, it will turn on and off automatically at the scheduled times. To check the schedule, go to settings, scroll down and now you can see focus mode. Tap on it. Now you can see do not disturb. Tap on it, scroll down and now you can see add schedule. Tap on add schedule and add your schedule and again turn it on to fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix software related issues. To restart your iPhone, firstly you can tap on settings. Now you can see general. Tap on it, scroll down and now you can see shut down. Tap on it. Now you can see slide to power off. After sliding it, your mobile will be restart and your problem will be fixed. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is reset all settings. This will reset all of your iPhone settings including do not disturb. To reset all settings, go to settings. Now you can see general. Tap on it, scroll down and now you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. Now you can see reset. Now you can see reset all settings. Tap on it. Enter your passcode. After entering your passcode, you can pop up reset all settings. Tap on it and reset all settings without losing any data. So if this is not working, then we move to another. Another is updated to the latest iOS version. So go to settings. Now you can see general. Tap on it and now you can see software update. Tap on it. Now you can see checking for update. If you have any pending update, download and install it to fix your problem. So if all this solution is not working, then you go to the nearest Apple store to fix your problem. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.